Hey, welcome back everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, today we're going to talk about the paper trade idea that we have for all the members. Here's the deal. With this most recent market sell-off, I have many positions for which I can't trade. But I'll tell you what, if I had fresh cash, we would be knocking it down. But I can't because I'm stuck in some trades for which my cost basis is much higher than where they're trading now. So I'm doing 0 days to expiration trades. Usually on Thursday and Fridays, we're going to do that one strike out of the money, and we're going to try to time a time decay. Yes, we're going to use time decay and going to make a little crumb. We've been doing that for the past 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, we made 2,200 in 1 day. Last week, I think we made about 1,100 in 1 day. We're just having fun with the shares that we own. We're not going to let them be taken away from us. We will buy those options back, and then we will either sit on our hands or roll the option for another credit. But here's the deal. At the membership, everyone loves how much I trade. I mean, I literally trade all the time. I mean, I'm not a day trader or swing trader. I just put out selling premium trades where I write a covered call, sell a cash secure put. And I'll tell you, if the stock goes up or down, I may buy that option back, and we do it again. And we do it again, and we do it again. Look at this, man. January, 74 trades in and out, 74. February, we had 45, knocking it down. Well, right now here in March, we've only done 23 because of the recent sell-off. That doesn't mean I'm not trying to write covered calls and sell puts. I kind of have my hands cuffed right now. Now, that's not a good thing, but it's not a bad thing either. I mean, right now it's giving me a chance to really come up with great ideas for the members, and one of them is this paper trade idea. See, over the years, I've built up a lot of credibility and integrity with the members. I show them my trades, man. I'm in retirement, busting my ass doing this because if I'm not good at selling premium, I'll have to go back to the 9 to 5, and I don't want to do that. So I trade to make money. I take that money that I make and I buy dividend-paying stocks. It is the golden goose of investing, selling premium, writing covered calls, selling cash secure puts, generating money you did not have, literally printing money. I call it my cash printing machine. We take that money and then we buy a dividend-paying stock for which it produces a cash dividend. That is wealth building. We go from the trade mindset to the wealth mindset real quick when we take those covered call profits and buy a dividend-paying stock. What we're going to do here at the membership is keep this going, keep the education going, and I love the discussion. So right now, there's tons of trades I would love to do, but I can't. Here's the deal. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put on those trades. They are going to be paper trades, and I'm going to trade them as if they're real trades. That's right. I'm going to handle these as if this was my real money. Now, before you roll your eyes, you have to understand I have hundreds of members that count on me to not bring them trash trades. These trades are ones that I would do. I would risk my own kids' money doing these trades. So I'm going to handle them as such. And I put this trade on today. This is a trade I would do if I had the extra cash to buy the shares. Well, I don't have it because, like I told you in the beginning of this video, I'm kind of stuck right now with the current market downturn. So the paper trade is going to be great because not only am I going to be able to talk about the trades that I would do, it's going to make me go out there and really look at single stocks that a lot of you ask me questions about. Now, I don't like single stocks so much these days. I love my ETFs. Why? Because they are indexes, they are sectors. We have a basket of diversified stocks we're using when we use all of them. UPRO, T N A, SOXL. Look, at the end of the day, they're leveraged so we can get that premium. That's what we do. We sell premium. We want volatility, but volatility doesn't equal risk. A lot of people say to me, hey, that is too risky because it's too volatile. Well, that doesn't make sense because these are a basket of the biggest and best stocks on the planet. UPRO is the S&P 500, which tracks the SPY. Everybody trades the SPY, man. People have created careers trading the SPY. But you mention UPRO and all of a sudden people are running for the door. Why? Because it's a 3x leverage ETF to the SPY. They don't like volatility. What I'll tell you is, you give me a 10x leverage ETF to the SPY, and I'm trading that. All I want is volatility, because when I have volatility, I am going to make money. Because the underlying asset is what? The S&P 500. See, that's the mindset. You have to learn that volatility is not risk. Now, if you think the S&P 500 is risky, then you shouldn't be trading it. But I don't think you do. So with that said, we're going to talk about more individual stocks. People ask me all the time, what do you think of Chevron? What do you think of Merck? Bristol Myers? Talk to me about Costco. And how about Tesla and Nvidia? They go on and on. And a lot of times I have to jump over, check the chart. I haven't really done any work on it. Hadn't put any money into it. Why? Because I'm an index guy. I'm a sector guy. But now I'm going to put on those trades. And look, it's not just going to be covered call, cash secure puts. We're going to do it as if I were to do it. Trust me, if I look at a Chevron trade right now, I will always use the poor man's covered call on Chevron. If I look at a Bristol Myers trade, chances are I'm going to buy the shares outright. There's reasons for it, and we're going to do that. There are going to be paper trades for the poor man's covered call, just as I'm going to do a put and a standard covered call. So I am excited. I'm jacked up. We're going to be able to have some fun. So let's go ahead and get to this. I know that was a long lead in, but hey, look, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. I come back every week, show timely and relevant selling premium trades. And now we're going to come back with some paper trades. And maybe you feel a little more comfortable with paper trades. I'm not sure. I mean, I risk my own money on big money trades. But maybe you want to do paper trades first. And that's totally fine. So look, if you like this video today, bang that like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. Now what I'm doing is a paper trade on my favorite right now. Everybody's asking me, hey, if you had money to put in the market, what would you do? It would be TNA. Why? Because TNA, it has held its 34 long-term support during this entire wreck. Now, granted, it got as low as 28, but I love that because, well, the rest of the market is wrecked. This thing did not fall off as much. And look at this. If you were to get involved, the thing rallied to above 33 today. So it moved back up to long-term support before most all of them have. And that's what I love, because U-Pro's trading at 77 and its support is in the 80s. So we can use TNA, and that's exactly what we're doing. Now, real quick, before we get to that trade, and I'm going to show you the chart as well, this is the email the members got. Members get emails from me all the time. We talk about all kind of things related to selling premium and where we're at. This is what we're going to do. I love trading. I love educating. So what we're going to do is the paper trade. But if you are interested in any of this, I have a membership in the description. You would get all of this. 1 free month offer. People sign up every single day because they want to be a part of this kind of education, where they learn how to write covered calls, sell cash secure puts, generate that premium to then buy dividend paying stocks. They get to see all the dividend paying stocks that I buy. And they also see all the trades that I do to generate that premium. And we talk about everything, man. And you get those videos. As you can see, yesterday I did one on LABU, 3X leverage ETF, explaining the real poor man's covered call trade I just did. And that one's on, and we're already making money in that. If you want to be a part of my membership and get all this, 1 free month offer, get it. Would love to welcome you aboard. Now let's talk about this trade. Selling premium is the golden goose. You learn how to do, if you learn how to write covered calls, sell puts, that is the golden goose. You will lay a golden egg. Look, there's a lot of people out there right now on the 9 to 5. They bought all these dividend paying stocks and they want to buy more. They can't, because the 9 to 5, all that money goes to the family, vacation, dinner, groceries, paying the bills. They have no new cash to put in the stock market. And man, all those dividend paying stocks are trading lower and their accounts are lower. They would love to have the ability to buy new shares or maybe a new dividend paying stock. You learn how to sell premium, you literally print money. If you took on this trade that I'm going to talk about right here with TNA, you're going to literally print a premium. That premium is going to equal $370. You went from not having $370 to now have $370. We wrote a covered call on the shares that we own. That is the golden goose. That $370 could buy you QDTE, YMAX, YMAG, WDT, XDT. You can buy a dividend-paying stock now without taking from the 9 to 5. And that's what I love. I come to this desk every single day saying to myself, my job is to sell premium. Because when I sell premium, I make money. And when I make money, I'm able to buy dividend-paying stocks, which make me passive money. It's a mindset. Look, I'm not bragging or boasting. It's a fact. You learn how to write covered calls, sell puts, you're going to generate a premium. That premium is your golden goose egg. You take it and you buy a dividend-paying stock for which is going to print you a weekly or a monthly dividend. Hey, I may sound like I'm trying to sell you something here, but that right there is absolutely 100% fact. I need you to learn this. You too can be able to generate that premium to buy a dividend-paying stock. So, T N A, this is a beautiful one. I love T N A because right now it has sold off. And just like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, it fell just like everything else. But with its support line being about 34, it doesn't fall too far like all the others did. The NASDAQ fell over 14%. The S&P 500 fell over 10%. TNA fell too. But when we're talking about leveraged ETFs, I mean, some of these things have fallen from $100 all the way down to 60. So TNA is trading in that perfect range. You could see stocks show me your trading range and I will trade you. That is what I teach my members. Look, you could pick any of the 8,000 stocks, show me their trading range, and I will trade it for a profit. TNA is going to move higher, and I have no doubt with the Fed now on record saying they're not going to raise interest rates. That is beautiful for all those small cap stocks that are in TNA. So that's why TNA gets a little bit of bump today, and it rallied above 33. It's recovering quicker than anything else because UPRO is still down, SOXL is still down, and so is UDOW. But I love how TNA is performing here. So let's take a look at what I did. What I did was I bought 100 shares. Now, in this trade, it's an in-the-money covered call. We're going to talk about that briefly here. In fact, if you've never heard of the in-the-money covered call, it's essentially the inverse to a cash secure put. The in-the-money covered call strike is going to be the same premium, for the most part, that time value premium, as the strike you would pick with a cash secure put. It's going to be off about a penny or two, but that is the same. So I'll do an in-the-money covered call largely because I don't have the cash to do a put. You have to have the cash to do it, a cash secure put. But they'll let me buy shares of TNA and then write a covered call. So we do the in-the-money strike, meaning I buy the shares at $32.18, I give them away at $30, and I'm going to get $3.70 in intrinsic value. Do you see where there's intrinsic value in this trade? I'm buying them at 32x. I'm going to give them away for 30. That's $2.18 of intrinsic value. That's downside protection for me. I own the shares. The stock can fall $2.18 before I lose money. Well, they paid me $1.52 in premium. That's 4.75% for a 29-day trade. Now, there's a reason why I picked this trade, this strike price. And this is where the members constantly get this kind of reinforcement through both my trades that I do and paper trades. See, I'm not going to change the way I trade. Just because I'm not putting real money in the game doesn't mean I'm going to change. It's still the same. See, we get a little downside protection, but what did I tell you earlier in the video? 28 is the bottom, where basically they were throwing the baby out with the bathwater in this recent sale. Well, if my shares were to fall to 30, well, I collected that fat 4.7% premium for 30 days. That's beautiful. Well, now the shares are trading at 28. I'm down $2 a share. Why $2 a share? Because I got the intrinsic value when I wrote the in-the-money cover call. For a 30 strike, 30 days, we can basically pick up $1.80 for the next trade. So this is why I do the in-the-money covered call. I love that first trade where it could fall, and if it does fall, it falls to 30. Now, if I don't have my shares taken away, that's fine. And if it's trading at the bottom of its range at 28, we can get off of 30 and still make another 4.75%, knocking it down. See, that's what we do. And that's why I decided to do this trade. In fact, I tell the members every single time why I plan to do it. Now, if it falls to 30, the market maker takes my shares. We're out of this trade. But if it falls below 30, I'm going to keep them. And that's where, if it falls to 28, not a problem. We write another 30-day trade using the 30 strike. We put on 2 trades using the same 30 strike. And chances are, with it falling from 32x all the way down to 28, there's going to be some buyers, and this thing will move. And all we need it to move is halfway. That's all we need. Halfway. We don't need it to go back to 32 like all the buy and hold investors did. See, the buy and hold investors, when they did this trade at 32 and wrote the 32 strike, well, they're stuck. Not us. We get a little downside protection. And now with it trading, hypothetically, at 28, all we have to do is get out at 30. And chances are it will, because you could see that once this thing trades in a range, it has a beautiful up and down trading range. That's what we look to do, and that's what we do here at the membership. I have hundreds, if not thousands of trades doing the in-the-money covered call. Look at them all over here. We absolutely do this for a living, and all the members benefit because they get to see all these trades. Look, this is a paper trade, but I'm handling it just like it's a real trade. And by the way, members get to track this trade using the unique tracker identifier. All you have to do is search that tracker. You'll see that I open the trade and I close the trade, and you'll get to read the write-up. That's how we do it. I want to make sure everybody has a chance to see everything that I'm doing. And guess what? We're going to do videos along the way as well. So look, I'm going to leave it right there. If you're interested in a membership, in the description below, would love to welcome you aboard. That's 1 free month offer. Get it. And hey, look, learn how to sell premium so you can generate cash flow to buy those dividend-paying stocks. It truly is the golden goose of investing. You go from not having any cash flow to now having the cash to buy a dividend-paying stock that gives you cash flow. It's called living the good life. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.